this video to show you guys this stock I have at the moment. So quite a bit, I suppose. Here you have Intercity Mark IIs, 4 composite coaches and brake coach, 2 Intercity chocolate and cream Mark Is with spring corridor connections, brake coach and composite coach. Then you have 5 LNER Flying Scotsman tech coaches, Intercity Mark III, and 3 LMS Mark IIs and Royal Mail in LMS coach. Here's the small locos, 08s, 06s, Ginties, Great Westerns. Down here is vans, so refrigerated vans, box vans. I'm actually thinking of getting rid of the Kellogg's. Just really don't like them. Perfect running, good condition, just don't really like the type of wagon. Down here is vehicles to go on the road and all buildings. There's coal wagons with Hornby couplings. Then there's tank wagons, which I only got one at the moment, but planning on purchasing a few, and they line up there then with any other extra coal wagons. Up here then is brake vans. 2 brake vans on the end there. The 2 on the end have tail lights not working, but they have them. The Great Western one in the middle has fitted pipes. One on the end has a guardsman. And then there's the coal wagons with 3-link couplings. And then I've got a few more then to go across, fill her up. Modified crane, diesel crane, from an adapted DAPL kit. Just mounted onto a flatbed with extra weights added, so it doesn't tip over. And here's the express locos, steam and diesel. I've got a few more steam than that, just putting them away, you know. Yeah, I got Duke, Black 5, Duchess, 47s, HST, 33. And there's just 2, at the moment just 2 test coaches, Mark I brake coach and Mark III HST coach. The rest is just boxes. Over here is just extra bits like buffers, bins, vehicles, things like that. Drill pieces, you know, tools. Then on the layout you have the rest of the 3-link wagons. Don't know if you could see the 3-link there, not very good focus on the camera. 3 extra wagons, 2 box vans, open coal train coach wagon. I've actually painted this box van Great Western livery to go with my Mark I stock. Used to be Kit Kat, just got bored. Over there, Great Western King Edward. pretty nice loco. It's got added drive and fireman. There's a coal wagon which was tipped on its side. It did have wood cuttings in it. Hornby 92, 92009 BR livery, and the Blind Scotsman. I'll pull this out. I actually added the smoke deflectors and all the pipe working on the front myself. Smoke deflectors are removable, just clipped on to the handrail. Very nice loco, if I'm honest. BR flatbed with cannon. And then these are some old joeff, maybe stock 2 Mark 1 composite coach and brake coach. I think they're supposed to be Hogwarts Express or something. And Western, I think. Tank wagon, car transporter, and a brake van. Thinking of either getting rid of or selling all of these. If I was to sell them, it would probably be all together, or if any of you wanted any individual ones, just name a price. And then that's basic stock so far. Extra wheels, you know.